Hello colleagues, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I'm going to take you through taking a slideshow with some nearpod elements in it and embedding it into your website. Now, you might have to try some different options to get this to work, but some teachers have noticed that when you take a Google slide and you just kind of save it in your Google Drive and then bring it to Schoology and put it in Schoology, there's something with the coding where you get an error and it doesn't seem to work. Specifically when you're working with Nearpod, not all the time, but some of the time. So one way around it that I've found so far is if you go to inside of your Google side with the Nearpod elements, you go to File and Publish to Web right here. Now instead of doing a link, I'm going to go to Embed, and it gives me this code here, and I'm going to click, copy, and then I'm going to create a new page on Schoology. Add page, switch it to the HTML view, clicking the dot there, paste, title it. I usually will click on this so it displays inline, that way it pops up right away, and create. Now, so far what I've found is that when you have Nearpod elements, like on this slide here, it will still pop up. However, if you just add it as a resource to the page and you import that same Google side from resources, it doesn't always work. Anyway, try it out, see how it works.